Welcome to online classes. I will explain from page number 22. Before that, I will refer some sentences as a reference and continuation. It sort of looks like a sword. Cornish says it was able to transmit wirelessly back to the crater's edge to a laptop. It could transmit the ambient temperature where I was, as well as it had a long end on it that I could jam into the ground and get the reading of how hot the ground was. Entering door to hell. Now entering in the door to hell, that is there. Even after a few days of preparing, Cornish says the idea of an actual descent into the door to hell was not packing. I can tell you, when you are standing on the edge of the gigantic crater filled with fire, it is intimidating, he says. Now from the book I will explain. Still, the adventurer did descend in the fiery hole. As per Cornish, till the explorers did move downwards to the combusting hole of the crater. Explanation 2. Cornish told that still the venturer did lower them into the ignited hole of the crater. Explanation 3. Cornish expressed that still the exhibitionist descended into the burning hole. Now from the book, it was not dark at all. Cornish says of the crater's interior, as a matter of fact, you are surrounded by flames, so everything has this orange hue. Cornish told that inside crater there was not dark at all, and added that as we were encircled by the fire, so everything had orange color. Explanation 2. Cornish expressed that there was not dark at all, as we were enclosed by the combust, so there had only yellow shade. Explanation 3. Cornish confirmed that there was not dark at all, as we were adjourned by blaze and had only yellow tinge. Now from book, once on the floor of the pit, Cornish embarked on the scientific core of the expedition. Explanation 1. Once on the floor of the crater, Cornish entered on the scientific principal study of the exploration. Explanation 2. On the floor of the deep ditch, Cornish moved down on the scientific basic study of the mission. Explanation 3. Cornish entrained once on the floor of the ditch and studied about the scientific roots of this operation. The most important part next from the book. The most important part of the mission and the whole thrust behind this entire expedition was to take some samples of the soil at the bottom sand. The most, explanation 1, the most major part of the exploration and the whole impulse behind the entire mission was to take some samples of the soil at the bottom of the crater, basically sand. Inside the bottom of the crater there was sand mixing soil. Maximum percentage sand is more than that of soil. Explanation 2. The most basic part of the expedition and the whole pressure behind the entire mission to take some samples of soil at the bottom of the crater. Basically, it is sand. Explanation 3. The most essential part of the operation and the whole momentum behind the entire mission was to take some samples of the soil at the bottom of the pit, basically sand. Now, basically, and see if they are in an extremophile bacteria living at the bottom that could give us clues to basically live in these extreme environments, Cornish says. Primarily, and observe if there is a microorganism bacteria lives in an environment once thought to be uninhabitable of extreme temperature, acidity or chemical concentration, which living at the bottom of the crater, that could give us hints about the life in these utmost environments, it is said by Cornish. Explanation 2. Firstly, and watch if there is an extremophile bacteria living at the bottom of the crater that could express us traces about the life in these severe environments. It is as per Cornish. Explanation 3. Mainly, and observe if there found any extremophile bacteria living at the bottom of the pit that could offer us some indication in these ultimate environments. It is told by Cornish. Now, there are planets that have been discovered outside of our solar system that have a very hot methane rich environment, kind of similar to what is in the crater. The Cornish expressed that there are planets that have been invented outside of our solar system that have a very hot methane enriched environment, type of similar to what is in the crater. Explanation 2. Cornish told that there are planets that have been detected outside of our solar system that have a very hot methane improved environment. Means methane improved environment enriched with methane gas, same type which is found in the crater. Explanation 3. Cornish illustrated that there are planets that have been disclosed outside of our solar system. There have a very hot methane enhanced environments, the same as which is found in the crater. So, in essence, we were looking for alien life right here on the earth. So, basically, we were watching for alien life right here on the earth. It is commented by Cornish. Explanation 2. Cornish states that so essentially we were staring alien life right here on the earth. Explanation 3. Cornish tells that so QDT we were observing for alien life right here on earth. It is the end of today's explanation.